Hey, what's up guys, the French Monkey here, and today I wanted to talk about the new update that I just released for the light generator. So it's on update 1.2, and I did some changes that I'm going to go through now. And of course, if you already installed the light generator, be sure to go in the extension and you might have an update somewhere here. So right now you can see this is the version 1.2. As you can see, I changed a little bit the layout. As you can see now, I have a couple more buttons. I have some radio button here for the light shape. The delete light went down because it was right here, I think. And these were checkbox, and I just changed them to toggleable buttons, so it's better visually. I have a new button which is the select all lights, so I'm going to show you how that works. So let's generate a light. As you can see now, the light are generated inside of a null object, an empty object, because before it was in its own collection, which wasn't really working well for a couple of new features that I added. So as you can see now, we have our empty with the lights below, and we can dynamically change it as we could in the earlier version. And one feature that I brought was the select all light, because as you can see now, I am using a very dark theme and I can't see my lights. So I'm just going to click on select all lights, and now these lights will be auto-selected. So I can change the amount, change the spotlight and every settings, and I can actually see my lights inside of the viewport. Another feature that I now have in almost all of my add-ons is the context-aware editing. So as you can see here at the bottom, we have a text which says editing the light generator 01, which is this one. And if I deselect, now this will change to no light generator selected, which means that now I can generate a new light generator with its own parameters and lights. And as you can see, now I have two different light generators empties. And the nice thing is that now I can switch between the other one as well. And since I have my select all light, it will automatically select all of my lights in that generator. And of course, I can apply change to them as I go. So yeah, the context aware editing is something that I now have in most of my generators. So yeah, very, very useful. The delete light button will delete everything, including that empty. And another change I did was inside of the preset, you now have a delete preset. So of course, if you made preset using the older version, you will have to remake them and delete the ones that don't work, because now the hierarchy changed, so it won't work with older presets. I had on the previous video a comment about being able to animate these with keyframe in your timeline. For now, I'm not gonna do that because there's just a lot of moving parts with this, right? It's a little bit hard to add keyframes and animate them because this is very dynamic, meaning that if you add a keyframe and change something, the keyframe will be instantly deleted. So yeah, so I will try to do that probably in another update, but for now, right now, this is the current update that I have. So yeah, be sure to download it. We are almost at 800 downloads, and thank you very much also for the reviews. If you want to, you can review my add-ons, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.